Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking a provider known to work in China. This matters because detection is aggressive. Once chosen, register and pay before you arrive, since app stores and payment routes may be restricted later. Download the desktop and mobile installers plus any manual config files, store them offline. Make sure you note account credentials and enable an alternate contact email. These first actions prevent being stuck without options once you need to connect. Once done installing, open the app and import configs if required. Some providers supply ready profiles for WireGuard or OpenVPN. Enable obfuscation or stealth mode to disguise VPN traffic and turn on the kill switch so apps can't leak if the tunnel drops. Choose servers labeled for China access or nearby regions with low latency. Make sure DNS leak protection is active and set DNS to trusted resolvers. These configuration choices reduce blocking and improve stability during use. Now connect to the selected server and immediately verify your new IP and access to the sites you need. If you can't reach destinations, switch protocols. For example, try WireGuard versus OpenVPN with obfuscation and pick another nearby server. Make sure system time and date are correct, since mismatches break certificates. If problems persist, restart the device, check DNS settings, and confirm your subscription is active. Key troubleshooting tip: enable logs and send them to provider support if you still can't connect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.